Hey guys, welcome to my channel Shri Sisters. In today's video, we'll be seeing some few tips I use to avoid distractions while studying, and they are very effective for me. So I thought I could share with you. So without further ado, let's get started in today's video. So the first tip is to have a to-do list or a list of what you should study that day. Like I usually prepare myself to what I should read before itself, like a day before or in the morning, so that it will be very easy for me to keep track of what I'm doing and how much I'm completing. So I refer you to also do the same. And the next tip is to switch off your Wi-Fi and to mute your tab, phone or anything you're using, and stay away from them because they will distract you the most. So it's better to stay away from them. And if there are too many distractions around you, you can listen to rain sounds, or I usually listen to rain sounds. If there are too many distractions around me, I usually listen to rain sounds. Like if you search rain in Spotify itself, there are tons of rain podcasts and recordings and etc. I feel like these rain sounds distract me from the outside sound, so I'll be easily able to concentrate on what I'm studying. So it'll help me concentrate. That's the thing. And you can also listen to binaural beats. Binaural beats are nothing but they're kind of like a music kind of, which will help us to concentrate. I do listen to binaural beats, but not as much as I listen to rain sounds. I think I am good with rain sounds, or rain sounds are good with me, so you can follow this too. And the next step is when you're studying, have water next to you. Like having water next to you and drinking it when you lose focus will help you focus more. So it's always good to have a glass or of water every time when you're studying. And next tip is like, as we have said before, that we should keep our devices away and off the internet and all. So what will you do when you get a doubt? And here's a solution. So when I get doubts during studying, I usually write them in a sticky note or in some corner of the page or in some page, so that I can check it after I'm done with studying. So I can check all my doubts at once. I prefer that one. And if I get disturbed by some random thoughts like reminders or something, like I should practice this or that, some thoughts keep coming to me, right? They disturb you. So those thoughts, you can write them down on the sticky note or in the corner, so that it will leave you. Once you write things, you'll feel the ease, right? So I always do this, like writing on my sticky note. If I have some reminders or thoughts or even my doubts also, I'll write it on my sticky note so I can refer them later. So this tip is, I think, is the most effective tip for me to keep away from my tab. I used to use this as an excuse. So going on to the next one, to write down formulas in a place you see very often. So you can write it on a whiteboard or a sticky note or somewhere. Like keep it in a place where you see daily. This will really help you like remember the formulas when you see it very often. And moving on to the next tip is, when you find a question is really difficult or you feel like you can't do it, just try making a mind map for that question, or like illustration of that question. This will really help you to remember things and make it simpler. Like when you itself add your creativity and make questions simpler, you will surely remember it for longer. And you can also refer it before a day or 2 days before exam. You can sit and revise these. It will really help you that time also. And the next part is my favorite part, is to reward myself after I'm done with studying. Once I'm done, I usually follow a Pomodoro technique, or I take breaks in between my studying. I usually study for 45 minutes. So after my 45 minutes, I usually take a 15 minutes break after making all my doubts clear. So in that time, I watch YouTube, Facebook or Instagram or something. I reward myself for studying for this long, and this will help me concentrate studying later. So because I know I will be doing this again, right? So these are the tips I follow while studying, and these are surely effective for me and make me a bit productive. I hope you also find these tips very productive and hope to help you. Do try these out in your next study session. Do let me know in the comments if this worked out for you or not. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to Shri Sisters. Thank you guys. Bye.